Alrighty, welcome back to another video inside of the Instant AI Millionaire Academy. In this video, we're going to quickly go over some real world success stories of other companies using AI to generate millions of dollars, sometimes a month, sometimes a year. But either way, this is how you get to the money. So let's talk about one of the biggest websites, biggest companies on the planet Earth. It's called Amazon.com. So Amazon, how is Amazon using AI to make godly amounts of money? Okay. You probably spend money on Amazon. I know I do. Pretty much everyone I know shops on Amazon. Well, let's examine this quickly. So number one, it's able this website, let's understand this website quickly. It's able to determine where I am currently located in the world, which currently I'm in Panama, but if I'm in USA, Canada, London, whatever, it's going to change what it shows me to be more suited to that location. So that's AI right out the gate. Think about that, right? So it's able to detect where I live and make recommendations based where I live. This is going to help Amazon to make more money. And they know that. And that's why you are now one of us savvy AI entrepreneurs, because now you're learning how we can take their ideas and implement it into our online businesses. Okay. So what else do we got? Well, they're going to show products based on what they think is most likely to sell the most. So whatever Amazon, there's a lot of people that spend a lot of money on Amazon, and they know what people buy the most, and they know the top products, they know all of it. So they're going to show me products that are most likely going to fit my need without me even having to sign into my account. You see that? Like, look, I'm not even signed into my account right now, and it knows where I live, and it knows the top products on the website to show me to get sales for their company. So I'm showing you this because these are different ways that we are going to use AI in our businesses to help make more money. Does that sound good? All right. So that's the first example, Amazon. Well, let's go to another one. It's called Fiverr.com. So this website is a money maker. Okay. This website makes so much money. And all you got to do is look at what are other people doing to make money on this website, and you can literally do the exact same thing. So look at this. Here's one example. Here's a guy, maybe he's from India. Doesn't matter where you're from, actually, because you make money from anywhere on the world. Could be even the beach, could be anywhere. So this guy, he is selling a landing page design, meaning just a simple website. He's going to sell you a simple website for $80. And I guarantee you, he's going to use AI to write all the content for the website. He's going to use AI to make all the design. He's going to use AI to put it all together and put it on the web. He's going to use AI for all of it. And he's going to collect money and get paid and get rich from using AI. Does that make sense? That's just one example. Here's another example. This person is saying they're going to be your digital marketing manager for $85, meaning if I pay this person $85, or even better, imagine this is yours, okay? This is your product right here. So now I'm going to pay you $85 for you to manage one of my social media accounts. Now, what would you have to do for that job? You need to produce the content using AI. You need to, upload the posts to the account using AI. You need to make the scheduler on, what time of day to post. When you have like a calendar, you're going to use AI. So you're going to use AI for the entire job, and you're going to start collecting money. And you can collect money. You can do the same job with thousands of different people at the same time, meaning you can make thousands of dollars a day, a month, however much you want to make using AI. Okay. And the list goes on and on. I just showed you two simple examples, but this website is full of other people using AI to make millions of dollars. Okay, this is a website you need to know. It's called Fiverr.com. This is a secret. If you don't know about this, now you know. You're welcome. And It doesn't stop there though, okay? What you're gonna keep learning in this course is more ways you can use AI to make more money. So right now I'm showing you one of my favorite websites, Fiverr, and I'm showing you how you can use AI to make money literally starting tonight, tomorrow, you can start making money with this. So if that's exciting to you, I mean, I'm excited for you. You should be excited right now. You should be jumping out your seat because I'm showing you how you're going to get to the money using AI, which is exactly what you're here for. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. This was a quick one. In the next video, we're going to go even deeper. I'll see you there.